Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are good and safe at your home. In our previous session, we discussed about inside, outside. I hope now you can clearly understand inside and outside. So today in this session, we are going to discuss about smaller, bigger and biggest, smallest. And the first topic we are going to discuss is smaller and bigger. So can you tell me what's the meaning of smaller and what's the meaning of bigger? Yes, smaller means chota, bigger means bada. Now we will see some examples of smaller and bigger. So let's start. So here we have two trees. Number 1 tree and number 2 tree. So can you tell me that which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Yes, the number 1 tree is smaller and the tree which is in number 2 is bigger. So like this, now we have two balls. One is number 1 ball, second is number 2 ball. So can you tell me which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Yes, the number 1 ball is bigger and the number 2 ball is smaller. Now we have a cherry and an apple. So can you tell me which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Yes, the cherry is smaller than the apple. So cherry is smaller and apple is bigger. The next pair is pair of butterflies. Here we have one yellow butterfly and another pink butterfly. So can you tell me which one is smaller and which one is greater? Yes, the yellow one is smaller than the pink one. So like this, according to size, we can tell which is bigger and which is smaller. Now the next topic is smallest, biggest. In this topic, we will compare more than two things. Before comparing them, let's know about biggest and smallest. Biggest means सबसे बड़ा, smallest means सबसे छोटा. So here we have 3 trees of different size. So can you tell me which one is biggest and which one is smallest? Yes, the tree which is in 3rd number is the biggest tree. Now we will compare these 2 remaining trees and find out which one is the smallest tree. So the tree which is in number 2 is the smallest tree. So like this we have the biggest one and the smallest one. So like this we can compare things. And the next is these balls. Now which one is the biggest in these balls? Yes, the ball which is in the 3rd number is the biggest ball. And now we have remaining 2 balls. And now we will find out the smallest one from these balls. So the ball which is in number 1 is the smallest one. So like this we have the biggest one ball and the smallest one ball. Now the next is these fruits. So here we have to check which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest. So the mango is the biggest one fruit in these fruits. So now we have one cherry and an apple. So we have to compare these both. So which one is the smallest in these? Yes, the cherry is the smallest one in these fruit. So like this we have some biggest and some smallest thing. So like this we can compare more things. So now try to find out more things and try to distribute them in biggest and smallest. Soon we will meet in our next session. Till then, bye bye.